Elogucho, elogucho, selusazi dogma asifikanga sigalelekile singumthombo phala phambili Ekhaya Jikelele. Friday o'clock uchilo kaloku Mufukeng ongapha yakomboko wathi siyajikeleza. Qiniseka ugqusha lazi kuba kuninzi esikuphathele kona ukusukela kwindaba eziqhubekayo apha ekhaya sitsibe nemida siye phaya phesheya kwamalwandle isimo sezulu osaziwayo abaculi abaqhafqhafu abafana nathi apha enkqubeni. Qiniseka kaloku into yokubana awukwazi uyibukela wedwa le nkqubo. Xelela umeza axelele omnye umeza sibe kunye kube mnandi apha ekhaya. Well, ndimlo ukhalosa kalubisi unonkanyezi ubothi madlo ngothi xa undibiza ndingumamshukumo umazondwa ngezakho unqanqala imixhaka ngazuyifakwa kodwa ke le mbiza ndiyayigcada ndiyayophula nayo inzwakazi yapha kwamageba umamtshali. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Kodwa to the weekend. Sithi lava.
Sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele ngezandla ifudume ekhaya lakho Ekhaya Jikelele. Ulwesihlanu namhlanje kuningi nje okwenzekayo baholile nothisha namhlanje. Hayi ke angilimake lingakhaviwe. Ubutata nje kuhle kwekhe ehlaliganwa. Babizela ngamagama ke namhlanje ngama initials. Uzwa nje sebethi weBP ungangishiya usuhamba siye edolobheni ngemoto kaTZ siyobheka oThaphawe. Nasemaklasini abanye ngeke balibhadi bezobethi weGM awusasungenela ngeyami period. Sawubheka lezi inkukhu engayideposita last month edolobheni kuningi sikhona ke nathi noma singakaholi kodwa cha uhlelo lona siliphethe phakathi kwabantu esobe sixoxa nabo umbukeli ngowayenuzinto webanyana uDelisile Mbatha njengoba phela sibuka okwenzeke emqhudelanweni wendebe yomhlaba ibanyana eyodlala khona njengamanje ake sibheke ihamba phambili kuleli hora.
On the rampage, destroying the economic aspect.
Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi akazikhathazi ngezidubedube ezaqhubeka kunyaka waphana ku-2021 ebethetha ke ngesigqibo esithatyathwe yinkundla yomgaqo siseko echithe isicelo sesibheno sesebe lenkonzo zoluleko.
I ban it intentionally. Me, Christmas Zandile Mafe. I wanna ban it more if it doesn't move to Bloemfontein or Pretoria.
Uzandile Mafe obhekana neqala lokungqongqisa izakhiwo zePhalamende ngomlilo ubethe ukuthele eveva kanti ugcine esetshela inkantolo ukuthi iPhalamende walishisa ngamabomu.
Umbutho wembaleki Athletics SA ufunge ngelithi uza kumnika inkxaso nakwesiphi na isigqibo asithathayo uCaster Semenya emva kwedabi lenkundla aliphumelele kutshanje.
Molweni babukeli ningusiyaviya Sineko ufuna indaba zesixhosa kwi-SABC1 ndithanda ukunikhumbuza ifikile inkqubo ezasekhaya Jikelele kwijelo iDDT le nkqubo iphethe indaba ezolonwabo ezemidlalo uqikelelo lwemozulu yonke into ikhona ungaphoswa.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi akumthusi nakancane ukuthi ngase kuqubuke izibhelu ezaqubuka ngoNtulikazi wangonyaka u2021 ngesikhathi kuboshwa owayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma. Umengameli Ramaphosa ubephawula ngesinqumo senkantolo yomthethosisekelo ngokuboshwa kukaZuma.
No. I'm not scared at all. Our security forces are very well prepared for anything. So have confidence. I haven't read both judgments. I've been busy the whole day. So I usually prefer to go through either judgments or whatever and read and study and reflect and then comment.
Udokotela wezengqondo owaqokwa inkantolo uthole ukuthi uZandile Mafe osolwa ngokungqongqisa ngomlilisakho sePhalamende akekho esimweni somqondo esifanele ukumelana nokuphekwa ngemibuzo phambi kwenkantolo malungana nezinsolo anindeka kuzo.
uZandile Mafe ukhwele ngikhumbini selishwabula phakathi kwezinye ukuba nguyo tshisa izakhiwo zePhalamende kwaye akazisoli.
It must relocate, it must move here, this Parliament. I ban it intentionally. Me, Christmas Zandile Mafe. I wanna ban it more if it doesn't move to Bloemfontein or Pretoria.
Umafe uvalelwe kwicandelo lesibhedlele kwitrongo yasePaulsmoor emva kwengxelo yesibini yoogqirha bengqondo ebemana ukudanduluka namhlanje ngethuba esenkundleni.
I want a life sentence of 25 years from now 2023 until after 2043. I'm not afraid of a life sentence. You took me to the psychiatrist. There is no psychiatrist. It's a court, it's a private court.
Amagqwetha befuna ityala limiselwe iveki ezintandathu khona ukuze bafune zabi ingcaphephe zoogqirha bengqondo.
Ujongwa ngabantu abanesakhono sokwenza lona. Uxhomekeke wena ke njengegqwetha kubantu abanesakhono sokwenza lona.
Ujaji Rasmus ukhalimile ngokulibaziseka kwelityala ekhala nokungabikho nxibelelwano ngakumagqwetha kaMafe naxa ingxelo kagqirha ibikubo ngaphezu kwethuba elingangenyanga. Ubanike nje iveki ezintathu esithi ulimiso kokugqibela ityala.
The findings were 1, that the accused is unable to follow court proceedings as to make a proper defense. Secondly, that at the time of the alleged offense, the accused was unable to appreciate the wrongfulness of the act in question.
Ityala limiselwe umhla we-10 kwinyanga ezayo. Thandiswa Mawu weendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Inkundla yomgaqo siseko isichithile isicelo sesebe lezoluleko sokunikwa imvume yokubhena kwesigobo senkundla ephakamileyo yezibhene ngenqawule yezempilo eyanikwa owayesakuba ngumongameli uMnumzana Jacob Zuma. Kwisigebo sayo inkundla yomgaqo siseko ithe ayiwabona amathuba empumelelo yesisibheno. Isebe lezoluleko belifuna ukubhena kwisigwebo sokuba ukhululwa ngenqawule kukaMnumzana Zuma kwakungekho mthethweni.
Inkundla yezibheno yakugweba ngelithi wayesakuba ngumkomishinala wenkonzo zoluleko uArthur Fraser wamkhulula ngokungekho mthethweni uMnumzana Jacob Zuma ngenqawule yezempilo. uMnumzana Jacob Zuma wathothoza inyanga ezingaphansi kwezimbini kwisigwebo senyanga ezili-15 kwiziko loluleko laseMtshezi kwaZulu Natal. Isigwebo senkundla yomgaqo seko sithi makabuyiselwe kweliziko loluleko uMnumzana Jacob Zuma agqibezele isigwebo sakhe. uMnumzana Zuma wagwetywa inyanga ezili-15 entolongweni emva kokudelela umyalelo wenkundla yomgaqo siseko wokuba avele phambi kwekomishoni eyayiphanda ukubanjwa kukarhulumente ngobhongwana.
Kusenjalo sekuphela iminyaka emibili kwaqubuka izibhelu zangoNtulikazi ka-2021 lolu dungunyane lwasuka emva kokuboshwa kwabe umengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma ngelithi washaya indiva umyalelo wenkantolo. Intatheli-ke engumdidiyeli walolu hlelo Ekhaya Jikelele unqubekwa kwaNzimande usihlanganisele umbiko olandelayo.
Mhla zingama-29 kuNhlangulana ka-2021 wabe ngumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma wagwetshwa izinyanga eziyishumi-15 ebhadlejele ngenxa yokushaya indiva umyalelo wenkantolo. Lokhu-ke kweza emva kokuthi enqabile ukuvela phambi kwekhomishana eyabe iphenya izinsolo zokugwamandwa kwamandla ombuso lapho amajaji akhala ngokuthi uphume umkhankaso wokuthunaza isithunzi sezinkantolo kuleli. Inkantolo yomthetho sisekelo yambekela umnqamlajuqu ukuba azinikele ophikweni lwamaphoyisa e-SABC kungenjalo akhalelwe amasongo kaSigonyela mhla ziyisi-7 Ntulikazi. Ngosuku wakufanele aboshwe ngalo abalandeli bakhe babuthana ngaphandle komuzi wakhe eNkandla emzamweni yokunqanda bakwaZidlodlo kuba bafinyelele kuye. Kepha kwathi sekusebusuku uZuma wavuma ukuyovalelwa ejele laseSikhoti. Ngokusho kowabe engungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ngaleso sikhathi uJenene uBhekicele lolu dungunyane lwabe luhlelwe ngenhloso yokuqinisekisa ukuthi isimo asilawuleki ezweni lonke nakuba lwakhombisa ukuba amandla ezifundazweni kwaZulu Natal neGauteng okuyizifundazwe ezabe zinabantu abaningi ababephikisana nokuboshwa kukaZuma. Mhla ziyishumi-2 Ntulikazi udlame lwadlondlobala kakhulu ngesikhathi izinkampani, amabhizinisi nezinxanxathela zezitolo ezehlukene ziphoqeka ukuvala. Ngokusho kombiko ovela kuhulumeni bangama354 abantu abaphangalala kulolu thuthuva kwaboshwa abayizinkulungwane ezinhlanu ngezinsolo zokuphehla udwishi emphakathini. Ngenxa lezi zibhelu kwaqobuka ukubhekana ngeziqu zamehlo kwabomdabu waseNdiya nabebala elinsundu ePhoenix KwaZulu-Natal. Lolu thuthuva lwabe lunenhleso yokucwasa ngokubuhlanga. Ezinye izakhamuzi kuleli lokishi zabe zihlomile zithi ziyazivikela kulabo ababezotapa. Lesi simo sashubisa ubudlelwano phakathi kwabomdabu waseNdiya nabebala elinsundu eNingizimu Afrika. Ngenxa ukuthi izinhlaka zomthetho zehluleka ukunqanda lezi ibhelu, izinkampani zonogada ezizimele, usomatekisi, izakhamuzi kanye nezinye izinhlangano emphakathini zaqoka kuzibambela mathupha ukunqanda ababezama ukuqhubeka ukudapa.
Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo inqume ukuthi kwabe noma ke sabe singenawo ucopho isinqumo sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa sokumisa uadvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane njengomvikeli womphakathi. Inkantolo ibalule ukuthi lesi sinqumo sikaRamaphosa sabe singadala ukushayisana phakathi komsebenzi kaRamaphosa njengomengameli kanye nezinto azenza ngasese eplazini lakhe iPhalaphala.
Ugcejwe olunyudumo olungophiyo kwezomthetho umkhuseli woluntu onqunyanyisiweyo uadvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane emva kokuba inkundla yomgaqo siseko igqibe kwelokuba sasikhona isizathu esinesihlahla sokuba umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa amnqumamise esikhundleni.
The president did not suspend the public protector to prejudice her. The suspension is only a precautionary one and does no harm to her, as she remains on full pay, has time to properly attend to her defense in the Section 194 inquiry, and suffers no reputational harm, as she is already subject to a highly public inquiry.
Esisigwebo sifika ngethuba iqiza le-Section 194 beliqhuba uphando malunga nokulungela kukaMkhwebane ukuba kule ofisi umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa usamkele esisigwebo.
President Ramaphosa has noted and welcomed the Constitutional Court decision on the suspension of Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. The Constitutional Court judgment affirms the fact that the President acted within the rule of law, and it also affirms the President's adherence to due process and fairness.
Kusenjalo iDA ithi inkundla yomgaqo siseko ithatha isigqibo esifanelekileyo.
I think it is just another indication of how unsuitable she is to be the public protector, and I think it is just another indication how we need this Section 194 process to conclude as quickly as possible so we can close this chapter on this terrible public protector.
Ukanti EFF ithi nangona isithobele sisigqibo kodwa ayihambisani naso esisigqibo senkundla yomgaqo siseko.
Well, we disagree with that, and it is well within the rights of the EFF to disagree with the court. We respect the decision of the court, but we don't agree with it.
Uadvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane bengekafumaneki kubaphefumle ngalomba.
Kusenjalo iATM idanile sisigwebo senkundlo yomgaqo siseko efumanise ukuba umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa usebenze ngokufanelekileyo xa wenqumamisa uadvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane njengomkhuseli woluntu. Amanye amaqela athi isigwebo senkundla kufuneka sihlonitshiwe.
While we are not surprised by this judgment, given the history of unfair and bizarre judgments whenever Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane appears before the Apex Court, we firmly believe that this judgment does not reflect the principles of justice and impartiality. The African Transformation Movement remains steadfast in the view that the president's decision to suspend Advocate Mkhwebane was retaliatory and irrational in nature and therefore unlawful.
The ACDP does think that it is rather unfortunate that the president's timing to suspend the public protector took place 2 days after she had indicated that she would investigate the theft at the president's Phalaphala farm. This, we believe, left room for the public to assume that he had an ulterior motive to suspend the public protector. In the view of the ACDP, the President of South Africa has a case to answer as found in the Section 89 committee, and answer he must.
The Apex Court has now decided that the suspension of Public Protector Khwebane by the President of the country, there was nothing untoward about it, and it stands. So they upheld that decision, and as the IFP will respect the decision that was taken.
The finding of the Constitutional Court that President Ramaphosa acted rationally and in his rights to suspend the Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane is proof that millions of rand of taxpayers' money was wasted on legal costs. She is trying everything to prevent a finding and finality before the 15th of October, because if she survives until then, she will get all her benefits as Public Protector.
uMahoti Thobagale ungkhomishana omnyango wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo kuzwelonke owachithile amahemhemo athi uphathwa ngendlela eyahlukile kunezinye iziboshwa udokotela uNandipha Magudumana ongomunye wabasolwa ecaleni lokuboshwa kwethulo lokweqakatha boBesta ejele.
Amagosa alichaze eliziko ligcine uMagudumana njengendawo yokuqinisekisa ukuba amabanjwa wazonzakalise okanye abe semngciphekweni wokuziqhithisa amafu. Ngokutsho kamkomishinala, isisele ekugcinwe kuso Magudumana sesona sakhe sakhuseleka kweliziko. Uthi uMagudumana ugcine kwelicandelo kuba elibanjwa elisemdleni woluntu jikelele.
In this section, they are under a watchful eye 24 hours, 7 days a week. She is eating food from the facility here. She's not under any special diet. If that was the case, it would have been sanctioned by the correctional facility doctor.
Thobagale uthi zikhelekile inkqubo zotyelelo kumaziko oluleko.
This is a normal common visit that I do. The only thing that is a difference is because we are with you, because we wanted to make it a point that South Africans can see that there is no preferential treatment that is given to this offender, as you know, she is always singled out, and the other one also, Thabo Bester, is always singled out.
Ibanjwa kwisaloni yeliziko loluleko liqinisekise ukuba likhe lincokole noMagudumana yaye uMagudumana uzenza ngokwakhe inwele kule saloni phambi kokuya enkundleni. Umkomishinala kwaphose iliso kwithala lencwadi leliziko nelisetyenziswe kuMagudumana kuvela ngobuxhakaxhaka bobuchwepheshe kwinkundla kaMantyi yaseBloemfontein ngoMeyi. Kusenjalo isibheno sikaMagudumana ngokubanjwa kwakhe eTanzania siza kuchotshelwa kwinkundla ephakamileyo eFreystata ngoLwesihlanu. Magudumana ubhenele kwinkundla ephakamileyo ngelokucela umngeni kubanjwa kwakhe kwelalizwe ngo-April.
Bekubanjwe inhlanganiso noluntu eMakhanda namhlanje nalapho uninzi labantu lungabisani nokufudiswa kwenkundla ephakamileyo eMakhanda isiwe eBhisho. Umphathisi wezobulungisa uMnumzana Ronald Lamula ebeyizimasile le nhlanganiso. Isigqibo sekomishoni kaMuseneke eyayiphanda ngalomba sizakukhutshwa kungekudala.
Ingxelo yethutyana iphakamisa ukuba le ofisi yenkundla ephakamileyo ifudiswe isiwe eBhisho. Kodwa abahlali bayakhaba nesisiphakamiso. Le ngxelo ibanga ngelithi ukuza kusondeza inkonzo zobulungisa kufutshane kuluntu kwaye iofisi yenkundla ephakamileyo iba kwidolophu engundlunkulu wephondo. Kweli phondo lodolophu yiBhisho.
Access to justice is not just about physical access, and so we have put forward for ministers' consideration a report which was provided by the former Chief Justice Arthur Chaskalson, where he clearly indicated how the jurisdictional boundaries can be reconfigured.
Masipala waseMakana uthi ukuba iyafuduka le ofisi yenkundla ephakamileyo kule dolophu iza kuba negalelo elibi kuqoqosho oludodobalayo lesi sixeko.
I-High Court ngezinye ze-institutions ezincedisana nomasipala kakhulu kwinto yokuqokelela inkonzo khona ukuze sizokwazi ukudeliver nathi ngokokulindeleke ngokohlobo kulindeleke ngalo.
Isebe lezobulungisa lithi ukuhlengahlengiswa kwenkundla kuza kusondeza inkonzo zobulungisa kufutshane eluntwini kwaye kulungiswe nezigqibo zexesha localucalulo.
We need to rationalize it to enable access to justice for the whole province of the Eastern Cape, but the rationalization process is also for the whole country, but we also have to consider the issues that the community is raising, impact to the economy of the area.
Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingumcebisi Ngqina ndisemakhanda.
Kanti ke mbukeli siyasakubuza uluvo lwakho ngalomba wasemakhanda ikhwelo lityala uphendule wenjenje.
Uluvo mna andiboni into yokuba le nkundla ingafuduswa ngoba akukho mohluko ndiuqondayo umuntu uzakwenzeka ngokufuduswa kwayo.
Nama ndihambisana nani bakuthatha izinto sezikhona sihambe sisiloku esifudusela kwezinye indawo.
Ibhisho yenye yedolophu ezinkulu enovuya ukuba ngapha inothi yofika khona le court.
Uba lo nkundla leyo umsasazi xa beyifudusile izawenza umahluko. Bangayifudusa ke bayiseke kulo bhisho yayo.
Vele la bhisho ithenjwe kakhulu. Yonke into yenziwa kula bhisho.
Mayicace kaloku ibhisho balikhomkhulu lethu lase Eastern Cape. Zonke office ezinkulu mazibe sebhisho.
Ingase zithi inkundla esezikhona zingabi sadilizwa la mali ithathwe yenziwe imfuno zabahlali.
Mina angiboni inkinga uma ngabe izokwenza umehluko ezintweni eziphathelene nomthetho.
Lihle kakhulu eliphula leza nomnumzana uRonald Lamola lokuba lenkundla ifuduke ihambe yebhusho.
Incitha xesha leyo sasazi into bazoyenza bazofumana ithuba loba mabayehlise imali yehle ngemilenze.
Hayi if bayifudukisa ingachani uqoqosho lonto le ngoba yonke into mose yenziwa ngemali.
Ingathi uhulumente ukwiphulo lokwenza inguqu kwinto nje edibene nohulumente ocalucalulo kanti ushiya inyembezi kubantu basemakana kuba la nkundla ephakamele seyabo ngoku.
Nanqaki noba lo nkundla leyo ingayapi as long ingazuchaphazela i350 yam qha.
Ezo ke zizimvo zababukeli. Nawe ke mbukeli ubangaba mhlambe ufuna ukuxola emswaneni ungasinxibela nathi ke kumakhasi ethu o Facebook phansi kwegama elithi SABC Ekhaya Jikelele. Ngoku ke masithi qhwi siyosela amanzi siyabuya emva kwalentengiso.
Sikwamukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Uma ngabe iqembu lesizwe liya empini lisuke ligabe ngabadlali abenza imisebenzi yahlukahlukene ke enkundleni, abanye kusuke kulindeleke ukuthi bavimbe zingangeni izitha zizenzela umathanda, kanti ke abanye kusuke kulindele ukuthi ke baqhulula amagoli ukuze phela iqembu linqobe. Kunomdlali ke osuke enganakiwe kakhulu owunozinti, yena osuke elindeleke ukuthi avimbe amabhola asuke ethunyelwa izitha. Umbukeli uyamkhumbula uDesiree Ellis saqobela amagoli eqenjini lesizwe ibanyana banyana kwakuno nozinti owayebamba Shimpukane uDelisile Mbatha. Njengoba nje ke ususemome umqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba kwabesifazane simcinge samthola kanti ke sinaye lapha ocingweni. Delisile siyajabula kuba nawe sekubingelelo ohlelweni.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sawubona sisixolo ninjani ngiphinde ngibingelele futhi nabalandeli beJikelele News.
Hayi siyajabula ukuba nawe siyaphila kakhulu. Hayi mehle umadala impela usaziwa ngabe uqashephi?
Ngisaqashe khona la eMzansi ngidla eJohannesburg ngokuhlala kodwa ke ekhaya kuseNewcastle.
Kanti uphuma enyoni khahlela.
Yebo ekhaya.
Oh, all right. Wetele akusixoxele nje ukuthi kwakunjani ukuvimbela iqembu lesizwe. Umthwalo ongaka ingabe nje yayinjani incindezi?
Kwakumnandi kakhulu yayingekho ingcindezi ngoba usafa wayenza sure ukuthi sithola i-training efanelekile ekumele ibe sezingeni ukuze sikhone ukudlala kahle sikhone nokuthi sivimbe isizwe sivimbe izizwe zonke ezifuna ukuzongena kuzoqobhoza ngasemabhalini ethu and kwakumnandi kakhulu ngoba ngangine defense enhle esas-understandana nayo kanti ne-support nje eyo goalkeeper engangisebenza nabo yayinhle kakhulu ngiyacabanga nje namanje ukuthi kulokuselo kwaqala lapho i-South Africa yalokho i-produce o-goalkeeper abakhulu abasezingeni lomhlaba ukuthi nje ngoba phela amathuba ayengatholakali ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi umuntu odlala la phesheya kodwa manje asevulekile.
Manje Wedele awusixoxela ukuthi uzufika kuyibanyana babekuthole kanjani noma wawudlala kuphi?
Ngangifadlala ekhaya ngangidlalela iOsima Juventus kwakunale lihlelo la kaSafa kwangama interprovincial tournaments esasithi mangabe sabakwenziwa izikwadi zama provinces zonke nami ngangiqhamuka esquadini sase KZN sasidlala ngezinye izikwadi bese ke ba selecta ke lapho baqoke and then mangabe sowuvelele bakuthathe bayo bayokutrain abakujimisa ukuze nawe ube sezingeni elifanelekile.
Hayi ngiyazi Dale ukuthi ngesikhathi usadlala nawe wawudlala naye umqeqeshi osewumqeqeshi manje uDesiree Ellis. Ngabe nje ngesikhathi nisadlala ngaleza ikhathi waye umuntu onjani?
uDesiree wayeyileader uDesiree kwakumnandi kakhulu ukudlala naye kwakuwumuntu owayefike ayoqala alidefende aphinde futhi alicele noma sesiliwinile sihambe nalo siphambili wayene discipline very disciplined angimangali nje ukuthi abe national coach wethu ngoba vele bekumfanele ngoba uthemba noma seqedile ukudlala wazihlupha futhi wayenza icoaching khona la eSouth Africa.
Ibanyana ke njengamanje ke isenkanjini uma ucabanga nje ngabe bazizwa kanjani ngiyacabanga ukuthi hey no valo lithebhe libabulele.
Hayi kufanele le stage abakuso ufanele impela abathuke kunomali i-stage nathi esasihlale sifisa ukuthi sidlale kuso kodwa ke ngalezi ayinkathi kwakusesenzima ngoba kwakusangena nje ama-team amabili kuphela sasihlosha kakhulu oNigeria noGhana noma kuthiwa thola ukuthi sesibashayile kodwa uthola ukuthi bengasi-qualifying kungasiwona ama-qualifying game kodwa nje sasiba nebhadi mangabe sekumele siyodlala i-World Cup uthola ukuthi sikhishwa iNigeria. Kwaqala kithi ke ukuthi siba challenge oNigeria ngiyajabula manje mase sengibona izingane zethu sekuyizona eseyingenile zawo represent ngiyathemba laba khona bajabulile kumnandi kodwa ke futhi umsebenzi omkhulu ubayazi ukuthi bamele umsebenzi omkhulu ukuthi badlalele isizwe and basirepresent kahle njengesizwe sasemzansi.
Ngeyikhathi zenu ngiyazi ukuthi ke zazikhona inkinga noma ingqinamba enanibhekene nazo njengabadlali nje ungasibalela mhlawumbe okubili okuthathu nje ukuthi ikuphi lokho enanibhekene nakho nina ngeyikhathi zenu.
Thina ngekhathi zethu kwakunzima kakhulu ngoba sasingenayo i-National League i-league e-competent njengale Hollywood Bets. Sasiqoshwa nje emathimini ngokuthi sadlala nje kuphela. Bona ke sekungcono manje bane league e-competent nokuthi thina sasithi mangabe sifike ecampini uthola ukuthi sifika mhlamba sikho fit besingadlali i-league e-competent kodwa manje sekungcono sebethi mabefika bafika befit abadlali ucoach nje akumele concentrate kuphela ekutheni abuilde lapha nalapha ya ukuze team yakhe ibe ngcono kanti futhi ezinye ingqinamba esasibhekana nazo ukungabibikho ukuntula kweziponsor bazingekho iziponsor zebhola labantu besifazane ngalezo inkathi lezana sasidlala nje othandweni lalingenamali siyabonga futhi siyajabula ukuthi manje sekungcono iziponsor ziyavela nesafusa isupporta kakhulu ingane noma kubuye kwaba nehibe nje kodwa siyabonga ukuthi uphinde wayisolve inkinga ingane seyikhohliwe ilokho kubekwenzeka sezibheke phela empini.
Kuyakuzwakaleke ukuthi ke abanye abadlali uma ngabe besenkanjini abayiphathi kahle noma ke basebenzisa uphuzo oludakayo bese ke beyojuxuza yini nje mhlawumbe ongayitshela abadlali bebanyana njengoba besenkanjini nje.
Kuyaye kube ingabe isithombe esihleke uma ngabe sekwenzakale lokho ayona into engafuneki njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi uthina sasinenhlanhla ngoba ucaptain wethu wakumuntu odisciplined wayehlale asitshela ukuthi hayi akufuneki 1 2 3 so nakhona njengamanje njengoba bedlala ngaphansi kaDesiree Ellis kufuneka khona ukuthi aqhubeke nokuba discipline abantwana bazi ukuthi mabembi laphayana bamele isizwe and bazi futhi ukuthi yonke into abayenzayo izophinde ireflect kubona mangabe sebekhulile. Ngisho nje labadlala abancane abangakafiki kubanyana ngiyafisa ukuthi ke bangakunaki lezi zinto zesizweni, izinto ezifana nama drugs, izinto ezifana nophuzo oludakayo ke bangayinaki ngoba mangabe umdlalo webhola especially usadlala nje usesemncane zimbili kuphela izinto kumele ufocus kuze empilweni, ibhola le-education kuphela, akukho kunye.
Ingabe imuphi kumehluko owubona ugqamile uma ngabe ubheka abadlali ababefaka phakathi oVeronica Phewa kanye noDelsile Mbatha uma nje baqhathanisana nalaba abamanje abafana noRifilwe Jani kanje?
Umehluko engibukayo nje ogqame kakhulu ngathini ngokwebhola ngibona ukuthi akuhlukanga kangako, but ama opportunities asekhona. Yabona nje oRifilwe Jani sebadlala phesheya, badlalela eSpain, baphinde badlalela ama-team ase-Italy. Kuyasijabulisa lokho ngoba manje i-experience ye-international playing banayo, mabebuya la ekhaya babuya bayiphethe, kanti futhi nje ne-confidence ikhona ngoba abantu abadlalayo nje ama-weekend onke, and mangabe bedlala amagame abawadlalayo abadlali nje amagame asehlathini, badlala amagame a-international okuyiwona esiwadingayo esifisayo ukuthi ngathi ngabe iqembu lethu lesizwe lonke badlala phesheya. Kanti futhi okungichaza kakhulu okumnandi ukuthi nalabo abadlala la ekhaya abahleli bajima kuma-team amakhulu o-Sundowns, bajima ku-UJ, bona ama-team adlalela ku-Hollywood's nawo asiphakamisile ngempela kakhulu istandard.
Manje Kadeli ubabona bezohamba bafike kuphi-ke kabanyana kulo mqhudelwano?
Akuzukuba lula for banyana kuzoba nzima kakhulu ngoba ama-team abadlala nganawo ama-team anamali adlala kumaliga amakhulu, and futhi abadlali badlala bagcwele imhlaba yonke. Abantu nje abazosithanda ukusiphazamisa iSweden ngoba iSweden ineligi ephakeme, kanti futhi nabadlali bakhona bagcwele umhlaba wonke, abadlali kuphela eSweden, badlala ko-England, badlala ko-France. So ibona abantu abangathanda ukusiphazamisa bese siyabuya siza ku-Italy. I-Italy ingconywana sicishe silingane nayo ngokwegame, sisengenzeka noma yini. Uma ngabe ukuthi senze yonke into right, i-Italy singayishaya, okusho futhi ngiyathemba futhi ukuthi sizoyinqoba umdlalo we-Italy. And then mangabe sibuya sizwa ku-Argentina, nayo i-Argentina iseseyintsha, akakabi i-team engathi ingasinikeza inkinga kakhulu. So lethu i-Argentina ne-Italy kuzomele senze sure ukuthi silenza izinto zethu ngendlela efanele ukuze siyinqobe le midlalo. Ngibona ibanyana iqhuba idlulela phambili ku-last 16 ngoba iphakamisile kakhulu, and ne-squad ucoach uDesiree Ellis asikhethile ngiyasithemba kakhulu, azange nje athi ngifaka ubani ngoba ngimjwayele. Ufake ngokuthi ubheke amava, ubheke abadlali ngokuthi badlala kanjani nokuthi bazolisiza kanjani iqembu ukuthi liqhubekele phambili.
Manje Tele, ungathini-ke nje sasiphetha umyalezo wakho ongawuhambisa uwedlulise eqenjini banyana ukubagqugquzela nje?
Ngithi kubanyana leli ithuba elingajwayelekile. Okwesibili siya ku-World Cup, okokuqala zange sikhona ukudlulela phambili, zange sikhona nokuwina ngisho igame eyodwa, asikhonanga nanokuthola iphuzu elilodwa. So njengoba belaphayana nje eNew Zealand, njengesizwe totally behind them, siyabasupporta ukuthi abaqhubeke benze kahle, and then uma ngabe ukuthi akuhambanga kahle ababuye ekhaya sizolungisa, kodwa siyabathemba njengesizwe. They are still our best assets. Bathembile kakhulu ukuthi abaqhubeke abayibambishisa ngoba phela imbokode iyalenza icebo iphinde ibambe umese la osika ngakhona.
Sibonga kakhulu-ke Delsile Mbukeli lo bekuDelsile Mbatha wayunozinti weqembu lesizwe banyana besixoxa naye-ke ngomqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba. Mbukeli, njengoba nje-ke ziyimfrayi namhlanje sinomculo uzuko SA kanti uzosipha umucu othi umkhonto ungahambi siyabuya.
Yehova nababambana nam yilwa nabalwa nam khola umkhonto ufincindlela hamba nam Nkosi ndiyaphuma Nkosi ndiyaphuma phuma nam Nkosi ndiyaphuma yini Yehova hamba nam Nkosi ndiyaphuma Nkosi ndiyaphuma phuma nam Nkosi ndiyaphuma yini Yehova zonke izinto ezibekelwe mna nalapho igama lam libizwa khona mababhideke badale bahlaseke abasungula umphefumlo mababhideke badale bahlaseke onke amadolo ayongoba phambi
Siphinde sikwamukele ke mbukeli ekhaya Jikelele waze wamnanda umculukazi ko SA kodwa ke futhi imbukeli hlala phansi nethezeke akakahamba usazophinda buye futhi azosinikeza ulozolo lomculo omnandi kanti ke mangabe singena kwezemidlalo inhlangano yengamele ezokusubatha kuleli ithi ozokweseka noma isiphi isinyathelo esizothathwa uCaster Semenya malungana nokuvunwa inkantolo yamalungelo abantu eEurope ukuba qhubeka bambi iqhaza emqhudelwaneni yabesifazane lokho kulandela ukunqatshelwa kwakhe ngelithi une testosterone ephezulu eyenza ukuthi kube lula ukuthi anqobe abesifazane.
Attendi wokuba uSemenya uza kufaka umdliwo ngakwi-World Athletics ngenxa yokulahlekelwa ingeniso kule minyaka edlulileyo. uSemenya ube kwidabi lenkundla neWorld Athletics sukela kumiliselwa kwale mithetho ngo-2018. Isigqibo senkundla yamalungelo oluntu yase-Europe singanyanzelisa imibutho yembaleki kwihlabathi icingisise isigqibo sokunyanzelisa imbaleki zithobe amaqondo e-testosterone.
From our side as Athletics South Africa, we are very excited, we are very delighted to say at long last we are getting somewhere. Whereas that victory at least motivate us all to say it's not the end of the world and then we have jumped one hurdle. And then maybe the other hurdle, if it may come, it gives us a courage to say we might jump another hurdle.
Kusenjalo zingaphuya kwamashumi amabini imbaleki esele zizibekele indawo kwi-World Senior Athletics Championships eBudapest, eHungary.
At the present moment, we've got plus minus 26 athletes that have already qualified, standard athletes that have already qualified. But don't forget, we've got the ranking that is still taking place. The closing date of that one is on the 20th, at the end of July.
Ezinye zembaleki ezizibekele indawo nguRian Mphahlele, uSteven Mukoka, uTsepo Chite noZakithi Nene.
iChristmas ifike kwangethuba kuluntu lwaseNtuzuma eThekwini. Ubomi abusoze buphinde bufane kwisikolo samabanga aphansi isipho sethu. Nanjengoko iCOSAFA iye yanikela ngemishicileli isakhiwo sesikolo indawo yokuzilolonga. Akuke bekuyinxalenye yephulo losuku lukaBawo uMandela.
Kungakabiphi nje kutobe kuyiNelson Mandela International Day igepha lilanga lalomuhla limgqoko esikolweni samabanga laphansi eNtuzuma. Lokhu ke kuyingcenye oluhlelo leCOSAFA lweminyaka yonke yokujikijela leJazz Vivanini yilekelele labaswele lidolobha leThekwini lidlala inzima lenkulu ekubaleni izikole letimbili ukuthi tihlumule kulesendo seCOSAFA.
It is a very important day for us and also for the community at large because we've got what we were looking for.
Nanobela amaqembu amatasa ngiyaphathisa isikhathi sawo abayingcenye yokuniketwa kwetipho libambele imiceceshi bafana Morena Ramoreboli kanye nemlingani wakhe longumceceshi weLesotho Lesninoshi bapheleke idwela ubukapteni babo ngekwehlukana kanye nalabanye bomkantshubovu bebadlali bakagcini.
Really it's exciting and I think this is our future and honestly speaking I think it's a very good gesture from Hollywood Beds, COSAFA, SAFA and everybody who's involved in making sure that they bring smile to these kids.
ISAFA eThekwini inquzo takhamuti ukuthi tinakekelele tipho letibuya kuCOSAFA.
SAFA eThekwini was so happy about what is happening today because schools especially in rural and township areas are not receiving any assistance. They depend on parents only.
Sikolo samabanga laphansi isiphesihle akusiso kuphela isihlomule kulolu hlelo kepha nebuhle bethu lese inanda naso sizuzile njengoba inikete tembatho tevolleyball.
Ukapteni wamabhokobhoko uSiya Kolisi uthi kunzima kakhulu ukukhula ngaphandle kotata. Uthi uzame ngandlela zonke ukuba izinto zihambe kakuhle notata wakhe omzalayo kodwa zange zilunge. uSiya Kolisi ke ujongene nomsebenzi onzima njengoko iBox ilungiselela umdlalo neNew Zealand.
In the black communities, we have a lot of fatherlessness, and in the past, you know, there are reasons for it that I didn't know and didn't understand. And I realized that my dad's time was completely different to my time, and I didn't have that conversation until I was 30. And that was during shooting the documentary because I just wanted to understand because I felt neglected, I felt not wanted, and it didn't make sense why he wasn't there for me when I was a child. And then I had a conversation with him. I asked him, I'm like, my man, let's sit down, let's chat about this. And he didn't want to do it. I'm like, trust me, I've learned to speak. It releases so much. And so we sat and he explained to me.
Mbukelisi qoqala phoke indaba zemidlalo zehora lethu lokuqala.
Qiniseka mbukeli into yobana awuyindawo kuninzi esikuphathele kona siyobhatala amatyala. Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya jikelele kwinkqubo ndaba yakho uDTT. Kanti ngoku masithi sigqatha ngaphaya kwemida yeli ngamaqabantshintshi kwezithe zaqaqamba kwihlabathi.
Miss Nederland 2023 Ricky!
Kwenzeke imbali eNetherlands emva kokuthweswa isithaba sikanobuhle wazalwa einkwenkwe waguqukela ekubeni intombazana itransgender ngolamahanuka. uRicky Valeri Khole oneminyaka eyi-22 budala uza kumela elilizwe kukhuphiswano lukaMiss Universe ekuzeni kuphela kwalo nyaka nalapho kulindleke ukuba enze imbali yokuba ngoqala kwimbali yolukhuphiswano ukuba uyagqwesa.
Afterwards, I won the crown. Sadly, not everyone gave me congratulations with my victory. I think that's really sad, but I still have some other contestants who were supporting me and still supporting me.
Akasindanga ke kwizigxeko zabanqaxhi kumaqonga ezonxibelelwano. Kuhlasele intabamlilo uLickly Ruthu kwisiqithi iReykjanes Peninsula. umthutho ovutha madangatye ubuphuphuma noxa kungevakalanga ugqabhuko dubulo njengesiqhelo avakalise oko amagosa karhulumente weli lizwe phesheya phaa kookreci izulu bezakhiwo isijingitshane nezikhukhula zidlakaze ummandla waseChicago zanyanzelisa ukuvalwa mba kwezikhulo zenqwelomoya kusoyikiselwa ingozi akubikwanga zingcwelerha ngesi siganeko qakatha qelele kwelamandiya izikhukhula zishiye orisho abarhuqa inqwelo begabhule emanzini kwizitalato zaseNew Delhi isixeko esinabahlali abangamashumi ezigidi 20 million sigutyungelwe zezikhukhula sanyanzela ukuba uninzi lwabantu luzingele indawo zokugoba ityholo kwiinkampu zokhuseleko qonqololo.
Mbukelisi igoqa lapho ke izindaba zethu ehoreni lethu lokuqala kanti njengamanje sothi qu 8 kodwa masibuya sibe sesibuya ke nezindaba ezintsha sesingena ehoreni lethu lesibili.
Ewe wena nje ungake ugunqe xalela nomakhelwane ba azinze angayi kwandawo aphefumule nje siyabuya emva kwentengiso.